Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Rudra, and in this video I'm going to explain you how you can install the StackStrom. Okay, before that, let me just talk about the pre-requirement before going into the installation. Okay, so the StackStrom can be only installed into Linux machines that who only with Ubuntu, Red Hat, and CentOS operating systems. So for that, if you want more information, just go to the StackStrom documentation, and if you go to the installation, you can see. If you go to system requirements, you can see it can only be installed into the Ubuntu 16.04, Ubuntu 18.04, Red Hat 8 and 7, and CentOS 7 and 8.3. Other than that, it can't be installed into any other machines. And before that, it needs at least 2 GB of RAM and 10 GB of storage. That's the mandatory for it, and it should be dual core CPU. Okay, so those are the system requirement uh, for this StackStrom. And let me just say this definition of this tool is like it's just a open source platform for the integration and automation across service and tools. It kind of answerable. So I will do a different videos for that, just to explain the overviews for about it. And in this video, let me just stick it to the only installation part. Okay, so for that installation, there will be a couple of types of installation. Let's say one-line installation, manual installation. There are a couple of types are there, but one very simple method is like one-line installation. So what it will do, like if you go to the quick install, it will just execute one commands, so that it will just download one shell script for this path, and it will execute it. So inside the shell script, all the packages, all the services has been configured so that all the services can be installed. So what we have to do is we have to just copy the commands and execute into the servers. So for that, I just use Google Cloud. You can use any of cloud provider, like cloud server provider like AWS, GCP, and Lumix, any kind of box you can use it. So I have created two messages. One is localhost previously was there, so I just created the StackStrom engine dedicated for it, and let me just do the SSH to the server. So if you want to learn how you can create the games in Google Cloud, then just refer my previous video. Okay. What we have to do is, okay, it just again, okay, it has been connected. Let me just go into the sudo. Okay. Now we are in the sudo. The first things we have to just copy this command and execute it. Nothing to do. So let me tell one more thing. You can see there is a user and password. So you can put any user or any password into it, but you have to remember it. It's just the authentication gateway to log in into your StackStrom engine. So as of now, I will go with default username and password, whatever mentioned in this command. Okay. So let's do it. Let's go to the console and type it and enter. So it will, well, you can see the logs. Okay, you can ignore it also, but for as of now, you just see the logs. It will be installing all those services like Nginx, RabbitMQ. It will install MongoDB, and it will install Python also if it is not there. So all these services to be installed as of now. Okay. So you can just see the logs all of the logs there. I was downloading it, and my system is all about CentOS 8, and it's matching all the system requirements. Okay, so logs is there. Okay, so as you can see, this package is already has been installed. So you can see this line ST2. Okay, so these are the logs. All the packages, all the services has been installed. So as you in the last, you can see that there's two URLs they have put. Like one is documentation URL, as I mentioned over paper also, and second one is back exchange. So this is the exchange, this is the community platform. So all the community guy who are developing some back adapters, they are uploading that uploading into this platform. So whatever back you need, you can search here. If it is there, you can download and use it. Okay, so as it's already installed, so let's check out the version of this StackStrom. For that, just on the ST2. You can see 3.3.4 and Python is 3.6.8. So this package has been already installed. Okay, so let me along with this StackStrom, couple of services used to be also installed, like for example Nginx, MongoDB, and ST2. So let me just try and see what are the package has been installed. Let me just search MongoDB. This MongoDB already also has been installed. Let me just search. But let me just search RabbitMQ. This ST2 has been also installed. So right now we have completed with installation part. So this is the StackStrom has been installed. So we are done. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a good day.